The starflower has awakened.
What does that mean?
It chose you.
Then we're going with her. The light belongs to everyone. And so does hope.
Our adventure is just beginning.
If you have been looking for a way to create all these 2D animated character like the one you just watched, you need to stick to the end of this video because we are going to be doing everything fast. I don't want to waste your time. The first app you need to go to is your ChatGPT or your Claude AI so that you can get the prompts for your images before you now turn the images to video. So now this is the prompt I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Write a 2D Disney cartoon similar to Frozen. I want mine to be original and avoid reused content. Make sure you follow every YouTube community guideline. I want the video to be very neat, high quality, catching and beautiful. And I want it in 3 scenes. Arrange the prompt very well. I want the dialogue to be short, please. Give me the dialogue to generate my video also. Use names like Lexi, Logs, Anne, and so on. I want there to be rain in one of the scenes. So this is the prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT. It's not a must you use this prompt. You can just sit down and generate something and think of something that, okay, I want something like this to be in my home video, and you tell ChatGPT and it's going to give you prompts that you use to create it. So I'm going to send this prompt now to ChatGPT so ChatGPT can generate prompts for me. So these are the prompts that ChatGPT generated for us. The first thing we are going to be doing is you have to copy each scene. So like this one now, you copy the first scene, beautiful 2D and so on. So I'm going to copy it starting from beautiful 2D stuff. I'm going to copy this one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Chrome. Once I get to my Chrome, I'm going to search for Microsoft Copilot. Once I get here, I'm going to click on this first one because that's the logo right there. Once I click on it, it's going to bring me here. So the first thing you need to do is you have to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create an account easily. The thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus sign and you're going to click on generate image. So once you click on generate image, it's going to automatically create an image of. So this is where you now paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT now. So I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to include it that it should make it in YouTube format. That is 16:9. Make it in YouTube format. Okay, YouTube ratio 16:9. Then I'm going to send it. So it's going to generate our image for us. We have to wait for a little bit for it to generate finish. So this is our first scene. You know, we told ChatGPT to give us 3 scenes. So we are going to do this for the second and the third one. But first, let's check if what this scene generated is good or not, or if we need to regenerate it. If you need to regenerate it, you go back to your prompt and tell ChatGPT to edit what you don't want from the prompt and so on. So this is the first scene. I think this is perfect now. So let's go to the second and generate our second scene. So you now go back to your ChatGPT to copy the second scene. So you don't need to copy the visual prompt, just copy the down, beautiful and so on like this. You don't need to copy this dialogue with it. So I'm just going to copy the second scene like this and I'm going to take it back to my Microsoft. So I'm going to click on this plus sign again and click on generate image and I'm going to paste it and also tell it to generate in YouTube format like I did for the first one. So while this is generating, you go back to do the same for the third scene. Go back to your ChatGPT and copy the third scene. You don't need to copy that visual prompt with it. Like I said, you just start from the epic and you copy it down. You don't need to copy the dialogue with it. So you copy it here and you go back to the Microsoft Copilot and generate just like we did for the second scene. So I'm going to click on this plus sign again and click on generate image and I'm going to paste this and also tell it to generate in YouTube ratio for me 16:9. So I'm going to send it to it also. So this is our third and the last scene. So now that we finished generating the 3 images, you have to save them. To save them, you long press on the image and you click on download, or if you don't want to do that, you just click on this down arrow beside the image and it's going to download for you. So once all the 3 images are downloaded, the next app we are going to go to is Pixvars. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here and you are going to pick this second one, Pixvars. Can you see the logo very well? This is the one that you are going to pick. See the name of the app.pixvars.ai. So once you get here, we are going to turn our images to video right here. You are going to go back to your ChatGPT and you are going to go and copy the prompts. So let's go on ChatGPT now and copy our video prompt. So let's start from the scene 1. This is the visual, and we've created the visual. So we need our video prompts now. So I just noticed that ChatGPT did not give us what our video prompts will look like. So we are going to quickly tell it to add it to this prompt. Add video prompts. The next thing you're going to do is to come back to your Pixel's AI on your Chrome browser. So we are going to paste our prompt here. Put the image that we want to use to generate our video here now. Once you get here, you have to click on this image plus sign. Once you click on it, you are going to upload the image that you want to use. But before you can use this, you say that you need to log in or you sign up. So I'm going to quickly sign in now, so that I'll be able to use this Pixelverse. You have already signed in, and I want you to familiarize yourself with these things. And if you see that you still need more coins to generate more images, you can sign in with your other emails, or you can pay for the pro version. If you can't afford to pay for the pro version yet, you can sign in with your other images so that you'll be able to create more videos. So now you need to check if this format is in the format that you want. You see, this is the YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16.9. If you can change the resolution also, and you can change the duration also. But the duration will determine the coin amount that you are going to use. So now you see that it's on 5 seconds. That means you are going to use 25 coin. If you want to create a 4 seconds video, you are going to use 20 coin. If you want to create a 3 seconds video, you are going to use 15 coin. Let's just use this 5 seconds. So now we are going to go and put our image here. You click on this plus picture logo that is here. You click on this click, drag or paste now. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery. So this is our first picture that we generated. So you click on it and you click on done. It's now showing 100%. The next thing is to click on the image again and you click on confirm. So now describe the content you want to create with this image. You paste the prompt that you generated from ChatGPT. You now paste it here. Once you paste it, you click on send and it's going to generate your video for you. It does not want to generate it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go and tell ChatGPT that it should rewrite the scene 1 video prompt, because the AI is blocking it. It's not making it to generate. Probably because there is some word in it that AI cannot generate. The AI too cannot generate. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT now. So this is what I told ChatGPT. Rewrite the first scene video prompts. The AI could not generate it, please, and it's going to rewrite it for me. So now we are going to recopy it and go and paste it back. So now I've pasted the new prompt. We are going to click on create now. So while it's generating, you go and copy the second prompt so that you can paste it and generate that one also. So this is the prompt for the second scene. I'm going to copy it. Now let's go back and see if our video has finished generating. This is the video that I generated for us. So you click on download to download it. You can click on watermark free, and you can click on, if you want the watermark on, you can click on it. But before we download it, let's finish with all our video before we download it. So let's go to the second scene now. Just like we did for the first scene, you click on click and drag and paste. So you choose the second picture that you want to use. Once it gets to 100%, you tap on the picture and you click on confirm. So this is the picture. Now you write second scene. Now I'm going to click on create. Let's see if it's going to create it or block it. It's calculating the time it's going to use. Now let's go to the third prompt and copy it down. You upload the third picture that you want to use for the third scene. So I'm going to click on click and drag and paste now. So you upload it. I'm going to click on done. Once it gets to 100%, you click on the picture and you click on confirm, like we did for the first and the second scene. So it's now 100%. You click and confirm. So you now paste the third prompt to it and create. Once it's finished creating, we are going to now take all the 3 videos to our editing app and merge it together. If you want a longer video, you just click creating, but for the sake of this tutorial, these 3 scenes is enough. So you are going to download all the 3 now. So while the third one is generating, press on the image and download. Do you see download image? So we are downloading the videos now. You long press and download on each video and press download. So let's play few of it. See how beautiful it is. If you want to use this to create stories for kids, you see that it's looking nice.
Starflower has awakened.
What does that mean?
It chose you.
Then we're going with her.
You
Just
see how
beginning.
clean it is.
The light
Now we are going
belongs
to
to
take it to
everyone,
our editing
and so
app
does
and
hope.
merge it
Our
together.
adventures.
I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to take it to my editing app and merge the 3 videos together and show you what it looks like.
The light belongs to everyone, and so does hope.
Our adventure is just beginning.
If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you still have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do well to answer all your questions. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because I'm going to be bringing you free AI tools that you can use to start your YouTube automation journey. Because if you know how much is on this niche, you will know that you are leaving a lot of money on the table if you have not joined in creating videos like this. And please, when you are making your video, make sure you put in enough human effort. Zoom out, animate, use sound effects and so on, so that your video will be more catchy. Use filter, add your subtitle, add some little human touches so that you will not be hit with reused content. Make sure that your video follows all YouTube community guidelines. Thank you for always watching my video and have a wonderful day. Bye.